Alright, back to the Swiss Army knife test. What I thought I'd do is do a few back to back. So with a Swiss Army knife with the locking blade against the classic Mora clipper and the my insane spring steel with the single double cut there with paracord handle. So back to back, three completely different blades, and obviously against an industry standard Mora. Three very similar pieces of wood. See how they go with a bit of feathering. Almost effortless. The Mora. Redone the tip on this. Yeah, the Mora. Oh, far better than the SRK. Far better. But you know what you're getting with that. Considering that's a much thinner blade. As I say, this is back to back testing. I'll flip flop between the two. You get a decent comparison. Oh, there's more power in the Mora, but quite easy to use, and no flex on going backwards on the blade at all. It doesn't go backwards at all. More secure than a normal Swiss Army because of the size. And let's just go silly with something big and beefy. Piece of wood. Okay, here we go. Like a plain iron, this thing. Pretty good. For a small knife, that is pretty good. Right, so we can cut it off. Wasn't expecting that. That really that's nearly as good as a clipper. More. That is steaming through it. Must be the thinner blade. That's better than the Mora. I'm really surprised. Okay. Pretty good. Put a notch in. Okay. Swiss Army's better. Bit crude this for this, I think. So strong it broke. Stick. do make them pretty good. That's pretty good. Oh yes, that's pretty good. The feel as it's going through is better than the Mora at the moment. But if you dress that up, I dare say it'd be back again. But on the night, that is very good. For £12.70, £12.90, I think I paid for it. To a point. Here comes some more. Look at that. Swiss Army. Feels like it's flexed more. It's probably the penknife design of that. Huge and disgusting. Very good. And let's just go silly, shall we? Nope. It did it. The Mora. Two. Yeah. Slightly thicker blade. Yeah, and the handle absorbing the shocks a lot better than the Swiss Army with that hardened plastic, sorry, red thing there. I could feel each hit, whereas that was cushioning. Just go gentle on it. Oh, it's split it. Yeah. Some comparison in price, they're from £8.50 to about £12. So I just paid under 13 for that. I'm quite surprised. The feel of it was amazing. So that's the, I think it's a rucksack model from 7 Day Shop with the locking blade. It's got the usual corkscrew or screwdriver can opener, but the length of the blade is what's good about these, and that saw was amazing. Okay, let's tune in. Appreciate all your views. Cheers.